you're very comfortable with your sisters.
Yeah.
So we didn't care if we got dressed up or if we didn't, whatever. We went to dinner, we did everything, but fun, laughed so hard. And my sister Donna is really a very funny person.
She really is.
You know,
She
in
really
the
is.
elevator, she's going, I gotta go. I said, Donna, the camera's watching you. So what she does, she goes to the camera. She starts dancing to the camera. Right, that was fun. People look at us because we just
It's funny.
laugh the
Being
whole
with
time.
them, people
So
do
we
look at
went to my,
Yeah.
I'm leading up to what she's gonna come out in now.
I
But
need another glass of wine.
yes, when you see it. So my niece Donna had this demonstration for these very natural face products.
Airborne
beauty.
or Born?
Airborne, I thought
I
it was.
don't know.
But anyway,
It's good. I put the cream on one side and it gave me a little.
the new
Yeah.
thing,
It did, though. It really
It's it.
See,
I
but I-
brought it. I saw it. I'm sorry. Go
but the
ahead.
new thing that they do
We get it.
with this is they have a clothes exchange. So if you're not interested in buying anything, you bring new clothes with
Your
tags
clothes.
or
Anything that you
something
don't want.
that's, you know, but nice looking. So anyway,
That was fun.
because of my face and
What was
talking
I
to the
saying?
lady and stuff, she had said she didn't want to try anything on my face because she didn't want me to have an allergic reaction before the surgery, blah, blah, blah. So
I get it all.
I wanted to buy something and I bought the hand cream. So then I was outside helping my niece because when people start going through it, it was all over the floor. So I'm folding
She
everything.
looks like the salesperson.
Yeah.
You know how Jerry
I
is.
know.
So, and I go, this will be good for you. This is fun. So anyway, then my sister, I saw a red sweater, and I know that Donna's having Christmas Eve. So I said, Donna, I found a red sweater. Would you like this red? She goes, yeah, give it to me. Oh, she said, it won't fit me. So I said, yes, it will. Try it on. So with that, she said to me, you got to find 3 tops for us so we could do a little
I'm
act
gonna
or a
look for something
skit
when we-
or whatever.
when we,
So I said, couldn't find anything. But Donna, what is that? So
Rocky's playing.
Donna came out, and when she came out, there was this white shirt with silver on it, and I said, Donna, what about this? She goes, give me that shirt. Give me that shirt. What are you, crazy? And I was only kidding. And then I
was
don't know
hysterical.
where she
was
put it
funny.
on. I don't know where she
I don't know where she
changed.
put it on, but she put it over her. She went in the bathroom, but she put it over her shirt and like she took down her shirt so the shirt would fit her. But Donna.
But Steve,
Donna's-
oh wait,
Donna had
James is
friends
growing
there
up.
that she
Never
they-
met. And
it-
I mean,
yeah, it
he's
was
all
funny.
grown up. I can say, my sister came out, she goes, how do you like my slut clothes?
And we all lost
This is-
it.
and
But
then-
even Donna's friends were hysterical.
Everybody was like,
She was going like this with the drink.
this is,
You know. And then she's going,
that's the way I
Was
was.
she drinking or is she?
no, she doesn't have
drink.
Not her.
No, she doesn't have to drink. Right, Rocky?
So when you see her,
She does not.
this is like, I think her, well, definitely out of character.
Look at
but
that, they're laughing already.
I hear
I hear them.
Rosemary laugh.
Should we